Kim Taehyung is one of the main members of the famous South Korean boy band BTS. His presence as a singer, dancer and actor has garnered great attention from a wide range of fans, mesmerized by his extraordinary charm and talent. One of the most striking aspects about V and BTS is his stunning visual appeal, the elegance of his face and the charismatic or attached to it has led to him being recognized as one of the K-pop icons with charm and personality. Undeniably, his piercing eyes and adorable smile have stolen the hearts of millions of fans around the world, making him the figure known as the visual in BTS circles. However, V's stage fame also has a unique story behind it. Previously, he almost adopted the nickname Sixer Lex, but ultimately chose verses as an abbreviation of the word victory, which symbolizes the spirit of victory more than a talent in music. V has proven his worth as a talented actor. His roles in various dramas and movies, such as Warring the Poet Warrior, Youth in 2016, and to BTS, Burn the Stage in 2018 have earned great praise from critics and fans alike, recognized for the sharpness and emotional power of his acting as one of the lead vocalists in BTS. V has a distinctive voice that captivates the heart. He is able to convey shins through every note. He sings with sincerity. The uniqueness of his voice in BTS songs is often considered a magnet that attracts attention and hypnotizes listeners. His uncanny ability to mimic sounds is also undeniable, from bird sounds to cartoon characters. V is able to deliver imitations with incredible precision. In addition to his artistic skills, V also lives a keen interest in photography, often capturing precious moments through his camera lens. He even enjoys sharing his work with fans, presenting another side of himself that is brimming with creativity. It's not just success in acting and music that has graced V's journey is a source of wealth. Reported by Lifestyle Asia, V has amassed a fortune worth $20 million US dollars as of 2021. However, this figure has increased significantly along with her role as a luxury brand ambassador and other solo projects. According to Celebrity Net, worth and wealth now stands at $40 million US dollars. Her achievements as a brand ambassador for top brands such as Celine and Cartier have also contributed to these increased income and recognition in the celebrity world. His financial success and social media achievements have cemented BTS as one of the most globally recognized and idolized K-pop stars. His dedication to creating and bringing joy to his fans with his incredible works continues to prove that V is not only a K-pop icon, but also an undeniable source of inspiration.